Yeah, hello. In today's discussion, let us discuss about the application of Scrum in disciplines other than information technology. Based on my experience, okay, maybe the first project where we used Agile using Scrum in a non-IT field was for a group of lawyers. It was a law firm which got their cases downloaded, okay, outsourced from UK to India, and they were working from India. So their product backlog contained it was more similar to a stack of cases to be analyzed, and they prioritized it, and they had sprint planning meeting. Their sprint duration was weekly, so every Monday they used to decide what all things they need to deliver during the week, and the team plans and commits, and then on the last day of the week they have the review, uh, release, and retrospective. So they wanted a kind of project management system. Everything was ad hoc, but now they wanted something which is not heavyweight. They were looking for a lightweight system, and we provided them with this, and they were very happy with the Scrum way of doing things in a law firm. And another case where still it is working, we work very closely with that team, that is a marketing team. It is not a full fledged Scrum, but at least they have borrowed the best practices from Scrum, like the weekly planning, a weekly review, and the daily Scrum or the daily stand up meetings, stuff like that. And they have quarterly targets to accomplish, monthly targets to accomplish, and yearly targets to accomplish, which gets broken down into weekly targets, so that corrective actions are possible before it is too late. But then it is not a full-fledged Scrum, because the variables involved is much higher in these kind of marketing projects. Then another sure candidate is the engineering phase of infrastructure projects. It is more analogous to technology projects, because during any infrastructure projects, during the engineering phase, there will be multiple disciplines like electrical, mechanical, plumbing, HVAC. Uh, all those guys works together, and in a collaborative way. And very often these teams are from different entities. So Scrum is a right system for them. They don't call it a Scrum, but they use terminologies like look ahead plans, the last planner system, and stuff like that. Uh, but now, see, they have started relying on building information modeling, which calls for very quick plan, do, study, and act, which can be highly iterative in nature. So engineering phase of IT projects is a definite or sure candidate for applying Scrum. Then another opportunity, or where we have put our hands into, is uh, in organizations where the teams need to be trained on both agile and predictive styles. What we are experimenting now is we teach them agile first, and then using agile, we manage the rest of the training program. Uh, so, as discussed some time earlier, any project which has an R&D element, or any project where the scope is highly dynamic or evolving, and the technology is new to the team, then it is a right candidate for Agile. So that is for today. We'll be coming out with more topics in the on an everyday basis, because we have these talks from Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. Thank you very much for watching.